In 2017, the Pigzbe team and I set out on a journey to invent a new kind of piggy bank for a new generation of children. So we created Pigzbe, a part physical, part digital piggy wallet for children ages 6 and up that will get them learning about finance using their very first cryptocurrency, Wallow, a token designed to replace physical coins normally kept in physical piggy banks with a digital alternative that's fast, borderless and free. The digital wallet is an app and a game that turns learning about saving, exchanging and spending into an adventure, helping children learn about the principles of modern money in a safe and playful environment. The physical wallet is a friendly financial assistant and cold storage device that lets you explore the app and keep your wallet safe. For parents, Pigzbe is an easy way to transfer pocket money to their children, whatever the amount. Send one-off gifts, recurring allowances, rewards for achievements, and special occasions. Make your network bigger. Invite an aunt, a grandparent, or a family friend to join from anywhere in the world. The more families come online, the more demand for Wallow there is, and the stronger our token economy gets. Our Piggy wallet runs on Wallow, the token that makes money transfers within families borderless, safe, and instant. While a payment card allows families to spend Wallow in the real world in multiple currencies. Today, our phones are smart, our homes are smart, our cities are smart, and we think it's time our piggy banks were smart too. And the generation of children grown up with this kind of access, an unstoppable force for change.